Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Fantastic to have you here for presentation of a new helmet. So today we are going to present with a very successful, very iconic helmet. You will discover it soon, but before we continue, please give it a thumb up, subscribe, comment and share this video, and let's see who is the rider behind this helmet. So as you can see, it's an AGV. We are a big fan of Italian brands and Italian riders, and here we have it, guys. We have the most iconic 5 continents helmet. Is signed actually one of the last, if not the very last, MotoGP championship that Valentino Rossi managed to win in Casey Stoner on the Ducati 2008, and Casey Stoner was so fast at the Laguna Seca, and Valentino Rossi could not keep up at all with the pace during practice, free practice and qualifying. The only way that he could beat it was psychologically, and that's what he managed to do with that super fantastic, well, some say shortcut type of S-corner, the corkscrew, where Valentino Rossi, just to put his front wheel in front of Casey Stoner, did an incredible maneuver, nearly falling off. And yes, he did cut a little bit, yes, but that was a maneuver that did not touch at all Casey Stoner, at least physically, but Casey Stoner did not come out very well out of that overtake. He did not take it well, but the two were in a different category that season, and Valentino Rossi, with that pass, he actually sealed the 2008 MotoGP season. So here we have it, guys. This is the helmet. Of course, it's a replica. This is a K3 helmet, and as you can see, it's beautiful. The graphic, it's all around the sun and moon, but he managed to put a little nice touches around it. I'm gonna show the close-up, of course, as usual, and you will appreciate how beautiful this is. So we also have the Monster Energy logos, stickers, and we do have the tribe of Chihuahua, Tribude Chihuahua, and this is a stunner. So this is one of those helmets that is a must-have in the collection if you are a MotoGP fan, especially if you are an Italian MotoGP fan. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.